All right, now you've mapped your current tools, you've built your team's training plan. It's time now to pull it all together into a business case, something real you can take to your leadership. Now your assignment is to build your business case. Open up the business case template. You will find it inside the Planoly library, ready for you to use. Start filling out the key parts. Start with the executive summary, with the problem statement. Fill out your proposed solution and show you are not just pointing the problems, but you've got the plan, smarter workflows, connected information, and structured processes. Outline the expected benefits and practical implementation plans. Make it simple. Who needs to be involved? What is the training plan? And how the rollout can happen step by step without breaking the existing project. And don't forget to attach your toolkit and training plan. Take the toolkit table that you already mapped, assignment 1, and the training plan that you built, which is assignment 2. Attach them to your business case. When leadership sees that you've already spotted the gaps, prepared the team, and planned the rollout, it's a lot easier for them to say, let's move forward.
Let's move forward. So now we have your list of current tools, your training plan, and your business case. We'll see you in the final part, which is your digital action plan. See you there.